Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some secrets to buy at demand and sell at supply. Okay, in trading, especially with our trading system, we could say that there are a lot of secrets and tricks, and basically everything could be a secret. But there are two things that people don't pay a lot of attention to. Well, actually, they do pay a lot of attention to one of them, which I can probably guess which one it is. But the other one, they don't pay a lot of attention to it, and that is timing. Okay, so there are two things combined that can be very powerful, which is timing and entry. Okay, entry, yes, people know that we enter on bearish and bullish pin bars or bearish and bullish engulfings. Nothing too crazy, nothing special about it. It's just a simple candle signal. But this has to be combined with the right timing. Okay, so what do we mean with timing? We mean sessions. Okay, we have London session, New York session, we have Asian session, all these sessions. Okay, which one do you trade? Right? Which one is the most important one? Well, I can tell you right now that the most volume on any single trading day is when London and New York are open at the same time. Okay, and for that, I recommend you use the sessions indicator. Okay, this is an indicator that you can use, just an indicator list. You put sessions and you'll find lots and lots of different tools. Sessions indicator is basically designed by different people, and then in settings you can just basically choose whatever you want to see, whatever color you want to see, and all that stuff. All right, so we're good. We'll get to that in a minute. um, so you have to understand that most trades are going to be during London and during New York, and with during New York I mean the overlap. Okay, in Asian session, not many things will happen in Asian. That's why so many arranges during Asian, because obviously London and New York are both closed. Okay, so there's no need to really look for Asian trades in Asian. If you're trading a pair like us, for example, BJPY, that has something Asian in it, okay, which is the yen, then sometimes it does move during Asian. But I can tell you that most of the trades, 99% of the trades, are going to happen either during London or during the overlap. So there's really no need to be looking for trades before London open and right before New York open, okay, because there are usually some manipulation moves right after the opens. And for entries, it's the usual stuff as always, pin bars and engulfing. So we'll look at some examples on a demand zone and a supply zone of a 4-hour zone and a 50-minute entry. So let me remove all this. Now let us take a look at a supply zone over here at the top, which is just a very clean level. Let us go to the 15-minute time frame, which is our entry time frame. Let's look at the sessions indicator, and let's just see how price is reacting when it comes to the zone. So Asian is finishing, London is opening right now. There we go. Let's see, it's still not very deep in the zone. It just touched the bottom. Probably some of you are saying already, we should enter. It's engulfing. Just wait, guys. Wait for price to really go in the zone, not just touch the bottom of it. Okay, this is all just manipulation. Let's just wait for price. Let's see when New York opens very soon. There we go. New York is open. So let's see if we can find a strong bearish candle. There we go. We can find a very strong bearish candle. So this would be a valid entry. Okay, the stop loss a little bit above. What is our target going to be? Our target, since this is also in a weekly zone, as you can see right here, this is in a weekly zone. We can target actually a little bit more, maybe this low or maybe this low even. And then it's just basically waiting time for this to play out and hit basically our target. Obviously, this takes some time. There we go. We finally hit it. So this was a very nice entry, very spin mark combined with the right timing. So let us take another look at maybe a demand zone over here. Let's do a replay, turn on sessions indicator, go the 15-minute time frame, and let's see what happens here. So this is Asian. London is opening. It's already in the zone right before London open. So this means we could maybe find a trade during London if we find a valid entry. Let's see. Candle by candle, guys. There we go. Very deep into the zone. A bullish pin bar a little after London open. How did London open? Bearish. So this is the manipulation move. There's a very good chance that we will see a reversal. So stop loss a little bit below, maybe 18 pips. Over here. Again, here we were in a weekly buy zone, so the reaction could be pretty strong. Okay, let's target for now just this high. And there we go. And then it's just waiting time, guys. And there we go, target was hit. Okay, so guys, just honestly take a look at the 15-minute time frame and the sessions indicator and just look how it moves. All right, Asian is ranging, and the moves happen during the day, during London and during New York. Okay, you have to understand, as you can see many times as well, that London very bullish, New York very bearish. This happens a lot of times. Okay, but honestly, a lot. Okay, London very bullish, New York very bearish. It just reverses. London very bearish, New York very bullish. Okay, here London did both things. It was very bearish and then very bullish, and then New York just some continuation. Okay, so you can see, guys, this is just it's all about timing and entry, guys. There's nothing very much more to it. Okay, so I just show you some examples of a beautiful sell zones or supply zone and a nice buy zone, demand zone. And guys, just keep in mind these session indicator. Use it. Okay, this is so important. If you study price action like this on the lower time for 50-minute, 1 hour, and you see how it moves on your certain pair, you will get you'll get to know your pair so well, and you will know what the best times are to trade. Okay, so guys, hope you found this video helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below or send us a DM on Instagram. We'll be more than glad to help you out as always. Okay, so we would also appreciate the like or the sub if you haven't already. And if you're looking for more in-depth training, then you can always take a look at our link in the description that takes you to our website where you can watch the case study video, see what we're doing with the members and our program and all that. And if you want more info, you can always book a free discovery call with one of the coaches of our team. So guys, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.